Hi, my name is Mary. I had cosmetic crown lengthening procedure here at Millennium Periodontics. I'm a pediatric occupational therapist, and in my job, it's important to make a good first impression with families, have a nice smile that's welcoming to work with children. Prior to meeting Dr. Gadia, I had a good amount of space on my second tooth, so when I would have pictures taken of me, my smile kind of looked gappy and uneven. It was always something that I wanted to get fixed, and eventually kind of decided that I wanted to look into the process. So I went to my dentist who referred me to Dr. Gadia, and I'm so glad he did because the procedure turned out great and I love my smile now.
So Mary came to me with a picture that showed her smile appearance, that she wasn't happy with the way that her gums looked. And with that, she said, Dr. Gadia, is there something that you can do to ensure that my smile cosmetically is better, that it's more aesthetically pleasing? So we discussed with Mary the options of treatment. One, which included what's called aesthetic crown lengthening. And with that, that's moving the gum line upward in order to have a symmetric and aesthetically pleasing smile.
So the day of the procedure, I was very nervous, but felt instantly very calm when welcomed by staff who were very reassuring that it was a quick process and that I would recover well, which I did, which was great. Throughout the process, Dr. Gadia was definitely a perfectionist, which I appreciated. She used a lot of different tools and technology to make sure that each tooth was exactly where it needed to be and measured them to one another, which was great as well because it ended up being super symmetrical and it looks great. I am so grateful for Dr. Gadia and her staff. I had a wonderful experience here. I think a lot of people, when they think of gum procedures, they think of a lot of pain or a negative experience, but that wasn't the case for me. Overall, it was a great experience. I love my smile now, and I'm so glad that I went through with it.
After the completion of treatment, she left our office happy. She even showed us in a picture of what her smile looked like before and after. And she said, Dr. Gadia, look at what my smile looks like now. And that is what I love here at Millennium Periodontics, is what we can bring to our patients.
I've definitely got a lot of positive feedback from my friends and family. They've known how long I've wanted to have this procedure done. And throughout the process, we're so excited and amazed by the results and how quickly everything turned around and looks exactly the way I wanted. I definitely recommend Dr. Gadia to everyone that I know or anyone that's considering to get a procedure similar to mine, cosmetic, or any other gum work. Look no further. Millennium Periodontics is awesome.